Hey, it's me from the fitness channel, and in this video, I'm gonna give you a quick standing ABS workout that you can do anywhere. It's only gonna take 10 minutes. We're gonna be doing 4 different exercises, each one for 30 seconds with 15 seconds rest in between. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, the first exercise is called knees to chest. Now all you're gonna do is bring your heels up underneath your butt as much as you can, toes facing straight forward. From there, you're just going to lift those heels off the ground and bring your knees towards your chest. So I'm not bringing my knees all the way up because I have the bar here, but you should be bringing your knees up as high as you can towards your chest. Now from there, keep your core tight, squeeze the glutes, and slowly lower back down. Now really important on this one, make sure you're keeping your back flat. Don't arch into it, don't round forward. Keep that nice flat back the entire time. All right, so we're gonna do 30 seconds of that one. Next one is a standing knee rotation. So what you're gonna do is put your hands on your hips, stand up on the balls of your feet, and then you're going to lift one leg up at a time. Lift it up about 90 degrees and then rotate it across the body. So like that, keeping that leg nice and straight, you should feel a stretch on the inside of that thigh. Hold it there for a second and then rotate back. Now really important on this one, make sure you're not swinging your torso. You should be rotating from the waist. Your hips should be facing forward the entire time. All right, so we're going to do 30 seconds of that one. The third exercise is an uppercut. So what you're going to do is bring your hands back like you're throwing a punch. You're going to keep your elbows close to your body, and then you're going to rotate forward and bring that elbow towards the opposite shoulder. So I'm not able to do it all the way because of the camera, but you should be able to bring that elbow across towards the opposite shoulder. Now really important on this one, make sure you're not just flinging that arm out. You should be rotating from the shoulder. The elbow should stay close to the body the entire time. All right, so we're gonna do 30 seconds of that one. And the last exercise is a standing knee raise with a twist. So what you're gonna do is bring your heels up underneath your butt as much as you can. Now from there, you're going to explode up, almost like you're doing a jumping jack, but you're not leaving the ground. You're going to bring your knees up and then twist to the side. Now try to get both legs off the ground if you can. If you can't, just get one leg off the ground. And then rotate up, point your toes towards the ceiling and hold it there for a second and then come back down. Now really important on this one, make sure you're not arching into it or rounding forward. Keep that nice flat back the entire time. All right, we're going to do 30 seconds of that one. All right, so now that you've completed all 4 exercises, go ahead and click the link below. You can either do this workout again or go to one of the other great workouts in the library. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow us here. And also, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below on what you thought of the workout. How many minutes do you think you can do of this workout? Let me know in the comments below.